Hi everybody, it's Tim. It is a super foggy day out here on the Hudson. You can't even see across the Hudson River, but I thought I would do a throwback to a couple days ago when I was out here and it was beautiful. And rather than just go through the tropics like I always do, I never really talk about the Hudson River, and I'm actually right on the Hudson River, way north of the city, but I have access. I have a trail. My friend Dave and I carved out a trail this year, and just like with palm trees, you can never have enough and you always want more. I have my pool here and it's great, but I wanted something bigger to swim in, and that's the Hudson River. So I want to show you my trail that we did going down to the river and show you I've got a little beach down there, and it's rocky, but it's kind of nice. So I thought I'd just take you through this so that everybody can see kind of where I am, since I'm always talking about tropical plants and palm trees and bananas and things, and just kind of show you what the natural part of the Hudson Valley looks like down on the river, because it's pretty spectacular. So back to a much better day. It's so much prettier right now than the fog going on. So down around my flagpole are all my figs. But as we kind of head down through my vegetable garden, I've got loofahs and tomatoes and peppers all planted here. I would love to expand this area here, but it is a lot of maintenance. But I do have a grassy area going down to the vineyard and where the pawpaws all live. I need to show those. And then I have a path cut through the field. And unfortunately, this field is full of mugwort and porcelain berry. And if you know anything about porcelain berry, it is just taking over the Hudson Valley. It is everywhere. There are vines on all the trees. When you're driving, you just see it everywhere. And although the berries are pretty, it just looks insane. And if you look at my deer fence here, it's just completely covering the deer fence, which is kind of pretty, but it's just sad to see. It's just over all the vegetation, so it's a really bad thing. But my deer fence is worth every penny. It keeps the deer out. So here's the gate. I have many gates, but this is the gate going down to the path. And luckily the path does not have too much poison ivy. It's all basically mugwort everywhere. And even though I don't like it, it is kind of easy to go through. So there are deer down here. And if you look really close, I startled a deer back there. But these are old deer paths, so it did not take very much to carve out a trail, because the deer had done it for me. And it may look like a long trail, but I'm kind of showing you the whole thing here. It's pretty fast to get down here, and it's level to a point, and then as you can see, there's the Hudson River down there. Now I'm on the steep part where they carved out for the railroad tracks. This is not the commuter rail on this side. The east side of the river is the commuter rail, and I've got my rope set up to get me on this last little part. And the Hudson River is a tidal river, basically. So right now it is coming in from, it's starting to be, high tide is coming in. It can change about 3 or 4 feet here in the Hudson Valley, but this is my beach. I think it's beautiful, and I love just hanging out here. It's so quiet, and it's a really nice swimming area. The current is not bad here at all. I actually can swim way out. It's warm water right now. There you can see the railroad tracks and my property up behind it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I'll try to post some video of me swimming out here, because it's a really fun area to hang out, and I love being here.